See, what was the question given here? They are saying that if you have x is equals to a into cos t plus 1 by 2 into log of tan square t, and y is nothing but a sin t, we need to find dy by dx at t is equals to pi by 4, right? So what we will do, simply let us find dx by dt separately, dy by dt separately, and then we will find out what is dy by dx. Is it okay? Let me write it down. What is x here? X is nothing but a times this is cos t plus 1 by 2 into log of this is tan square t. Agree? So let us differentiate this one. If you differentiate this function with respect to t on both the sides, this is nothing but what? Dx by dt. Agree? So a is constant, some scalar, simply take it out. And what is the cos derivative? You know that cos derivative is nothing but what? Minus sine t. Is it okay? Let me write it down. If you want the cos derivative, we know that this is what? Minus sine t, right? I have applied. Plus 1 by 2 will be taken out. Agree? So let me write it down. What is log x derivative? Log x derivative will be 1 by x. Is it okay? This is 1 by, in place of x, what we were having, let me show you. This is what tan we are having. Is it okay? So actually I can write it as what? This is 1 by tan square of t. Agree? And inside tan square I need to apply, so let me take tan square of t, the derivative. Is it okay? So after that what we'll be getting, this is dx by dt is nothing but minus a times this is sine t. Agree? If you feel like no need to take a common, let it be, let us keep it aside instead of complicating the problem. Then what should we do? This is 1 by 2 times, what is this? This is tan square t. Is it okay? Yeah. So if I apply this, what we will be getting here, this is nothing but tan square t into, what is this? This is a tan, what is a, okay, tan square means this is in the form of x square. What is x square derivative? Which is nothing but 2x. I'll be applying the same thing here, which is 2 into tan t. Is it fine? And again what should we do? We have to apply for the tan derivative. Let me write it down. So I can take this is tan t the whole derivative. Is it okay? If you feel like any doubts or any line if you did not understand, you just let me know here. Is it okay? Yeah. So what I can say, this is nothing but dx by dt is nothing but a into this is minus sine t plus, so this two I can cancel. And what we can say, this is this tan I can remove. I'll be getting 1 by tan here. Is it okay? And what is tan t derivative here? Tan x derivative will be secant square of x. Let me write it down. So we know that tan x derivative will be secant square of x. So same thing I'll be applying here. This is nothing but what? Secant square of t, right? So what should we do? This is our what? Okay, fine. Let me solve this for further. Dx by dt is nothing but a into minus, this is what, sine t plus 1 by tan. We already know what is 1 by tan. Let me write it down. We know that 1 by tan will be what? This is simply cot theta. Is it okay? So I'll write it as a cot theta. And this will be what? This is secant square t. Secant is nothing but what? 1 by cos square, we can say. Or if you want, let us simply keep the same thing as it is. Nothing to worry about it. What is this? This is t alone. Is it fine, right? Yes. So later on what we can say? Let us check this for further. Okay, keep it as it is. Now take it as a equation number 1. What is y? Y we are having is what? Y is equals to a sine t. So now what it is given? It is given that y is equals to a sine t. So if you check for dy by dt, what is the a into sine t derivative will be what? That is cos t alone. Is it okay? What should we do? We have to find dx by dt. Sorry, dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dt, you have to whole divided by dx by dt. Agree? So take this as a equation number 2. Let us substitute all the values. What is dy by dt? A times this is cos t by denominator will be what? A times minus this is sine t plus this is cot t into secant square of t. Is it okay? Yes. So what should we do? You have to find dy by dt at what value? At x is equals to, let me write it down that also, x is equals to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but what? It is a 45 degrees. Okay. So I can say that dy by dx is equals to, simply we can cancel a from the numerator as well as the denominator. So what I'll be getting here at x is equals to 45 degrees, which is pi by 4. I'll be getting this is cos t by minus this is sine t plus, What we can do here? Okay, fine. Let us take it as a cot t into this is secant square of t. Okay. Yeah. Let us substitute this value. This is nothing but what? This is cos. Wherever t is there, we need to substitute pi by 4. This is not x. It should be t. I have forgot it. This is not x. This should be t. So if I take t is equals to pi by 4, which is 45, let me substitute cos pi by 4 by minus sine pi by 4 plus this is cot 45 degrees into this is a secant square 45 degrees, that is pi by 4. Is it okay? What is cos pi by 4 45 degrees? We know that this is 1 by root 2. And what is sine 45? Sine 45 is also 1 by root 2. And what is cot 45? Cot 45 is nothing but what? This is simply 1. And what about secant 45? Secant 45 will be root 2. So we are having secant square. So secant square is nothing but I can apply the square root here. So from this what I'll be getting here? 1 by root 2 by minus 1 by root 2 plus this is 2 alone. So if you take an LCM, you will be getting 1 by root 2 whole divided by minus 1 plus 2 root 2 by whole root 2. So simply in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel root 2. I will be getting finally 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1. This is our final answer. If you have any doubts, you can let me know.